You've heard a ham sandwich? This is a lamb sandwich. So first we're gonna make a garlic paste for the salsa verde. You just wanna kinda grind it together to get it down to a paste. So now we're going to open up our leg of lamb, and we've already patted it dry, and we're just going to scoop this garlic and onion mixture that's inside. Just like that. Put that on there. And I'm gonna give a good seasoning with salt on the rest of it. Now, I don't have any kitchen twine, so we're not going to close it with twine, but I think it'll be okay. So you want to season your lamb generously, and also add a little bit of oil on the outside. So I'm just gonna kind of give that a little bit of rub. It's always good to massage the meat. And turn it over like so. Little season, little oil, little massage, and we can now let that rest for a few minutes while we preheat the oven. So to our parsley, garlic, and onion paste mixture, we're going to add about 1/3 cup of olive oil and about an equal amount of red wine vinegar. And that parsley hasn't been seasoned, so I'll do a little pinch of salt, and then a little bit of the red pepper flakes, and give that a good mix. Looks like it needs just a little bit more vinegar. So after you've mixed it up well, this is what it should look like. So now we're gonna sear the meat while the oven is still doing the last bit of preheating. Right, and into the oven. Now we let it rest at least 15 minutes. Create a little tint. Beautiful. Perfect. Medium rare. That pink center. You can cut it as thick or thin as you want. That is so good.